Transferring data from MYOB to Xero can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you will need to prepare your MYOB data by ensuring it is up to date and accurate. This includes reconciling all accounts, verifying the accuracy of financial statements, and making a backup of your MYOB file. Next, you will need to export your data from MYOB. This can be done by going to the File menu and selecting Export. Then choosing the relevant data to be transferred, such as chart of accounts, customers, suppliers, and historical transactions. You will need to save the exported files in a format that can be easily imported into Xero, such as CSV. Now you can start setting up your Xero account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Xero subscription and create a new organization. You will then need to import the data you exported from MYOB into Xero. This can be done by going to the relevant section in Xero, such as the chart of accounts or contacts, and selecting Import. You will then need to map the fields from the MYOB export file to the corresponding fields in Xero. It is essential to ensure that the data is mapped correctly to avoid errors during the import process. You may need to perform some data manipulation to ensure the formats are compatible. Once the data has been imported, you will need to review and verify its accuracy to ensure a smooth transition. Best practices include testing the import process with a small sample of data before transferring the full dataset, regularly backing up your Xero data, and seeking assistance from a qualified advisor if you encounter any issues during the transfer process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully transfer your data from MYOB to Xero and take advantage of Xero's cloud-based accounting features.